Good morning. We left off with looking at our announcements. Now we're going to look at the syllabus. If you click on the syllabus in the left-hand corner, it will open up the frame on the right, and it shows that you're in English Composition 2. If you scroll down the arrow, you will see our learning objectives using the writing process, writing literary analysis, using MLA, research a controversial topic, and write an argumentative essay. Over on the right, you'll see the required texts of the human experience and the MLA handbook. As you're scrolling down, you will see that this course will transfer to any Missouri public institution of higher learning. Scroll down further, you will see the general course requirements. Further, you will see the picture of how the course is broken down, and you will also see another way to look at the same information, as well as what makes an A, B, C, or D. Further down, you'll see the course policies, the American Disabilities Act, and the phone number for disability support services, and the academic honesty statement. As we go further down, outside of class-related activities, you will see that in class and out of class will be a combined of 7.5 hours a week for this class. Now that we're looking at the attendance statement, you see that you may be dropped from this class if you fail to begin class, you stop coming to class, or you miss more than 15%. Your job is to be on time, participate in class discussions, and stay at home if you have a temperature or feel sick. You should not leave early, have your phone out or in use, or wander out of the classroom or otherwise have disturbing actions. Late or missing tests. Late papers will be penalized to full letter grade unless prior arrangements have been made with me. You will get a period of several days to take each quiz, and I encourage you not to wait until the last minute. Each quiz will disappear about 5 minutes prior to the class for which it is required, and you will not be allowed to make up any quizzes. You can receive additional help. I encourage you to email me or see me online during a prearranged Google Meet time that you and I will make. If writing is a weak skill for you, you might consider signing up for a peer tutor through the Assessment Center. This service is free. In addition, the writing lab is available Monday through Friday, 8 to 3. And there's also the Jeffco OWL that you will find a link on our Blackboard. The essays. Each short paper is an analysis of one or more of the literary works we will read, and I will give you specific topics and guidelines for each paper, and all work for this course must be in MLA format, not APA. All of your work for this course will be submitted online via Blackboard. My response to your work will take 1 to 2 weeks for me to grade and return a set of papers. Thank you for your patience. Guidelines on written work. I will evaluate your essays based on accepted standards. An introduction that prepares the reader, not necessarily me, for the information to follow. A crisp and clear thesis. A clear topic sentence that begins each body paragraph. A conclusion that does something more than simply repeat what you've already said. A unified essay that sticks to a single point and doesn't get off track. Abundant specific details. Logical organization or order of ideas, transitional devices that make your writing flow smoothly. Appropriate academic tone, third-person point of view, no slang, no contractions. A variety of sentence types and word choices, good grammar, punctuation, and mechanics. An interesting and an appropriate title, an adherence to the standard format and presentation of work, and an original and interesting treatment of the topic. Tests. There are 16 quizzes that you will take on your own time via Blackboard. These are meant to be easy points for reading the assigned story or reviewing the notes on vocabulary. There is also a revision quiz as well as a quiz on research concepts. All are open book and open notes, and you may take each one twice. Your highest score will count. There is no final exam for Comp 2. Web and email. I have all your course notes already online available for your use. If you would like to work ahead, you're always welcome to do so. All assignments for the 5 essays are posted on Blackboard. Your emails to me should include your class and section number and your question clearly stated. I will check emails Monday through Friday during my work hours and do my best to respond within 24 hours. I will not always respond immediately to emails sent in the evening, on weekends, or on the holiday.